Hi children, you all like stories? Here it goes. Lazy Lolly, a little sleeping beauty who sleeps always. One early morning, she was disturbed by a song through her bedroom window. Suddenly, she woke up and shouted, "Hey, who is it singing and disturbing my sleep?" Once opened her eyes, she was widening her eyes. Wow, what a beautiful creature! She tried to touch it. It hopped. She tried and tried. At last, she touched. Wow, so soft to touch too. Little bird started talking. Hey, lazy Lolly, I'm Little Sparrow. I've been singing for you every day. Today only you woke up. We are birds. Many of our fellow beings are colorful and beautiful. We have wings. Many can fly, but few can't fly. We build nests to lay eggs. Lazy Lolly was excited. Wow, really? Amazing. I wish to see your fellow beings. Little Sparrow said, Okay, sure, my dear lazy Lolly, but we have to go a long way to meet them all. You have to be smarter. Will you, my dear? Lazy Lolly said, Is it so, little sparrow? You can fly. What about me? How can I come, my dear friend? Little sparrow said, Here are your magic wings, dear lazy Lolly. You can fly now. Lazy Lolly shouted in joy. Wow, so sweet and kind of you. You're my best friend. Let's go. I'm ready. Lazy Lolly and Little Sparrow started their journey, and let's see one by one who do they both meet, right? Do you know the smallest flying bird which can fly backwards too? Here it is, hummingbird. Hey, look there. It sucks honey from flower. So cute. Lazy Lolly, look here. He is the most beautiful bird and a great dancer too. He is peacock. Marvelous his feathers are. Meet the most talkative bird of this forest. Her green color is very pleasant to eyes. Yes, Lolly, she is parrot. Lazy Lolly, you take egg every day, right? Do you know who gives you eggs? Is it hen? Yes, you are right. Come here, Lolly. She is flamingo with long legs. She is seen near the seashore. She likes fish. Same pinch, flamingo. My favorite dish too, fish only. Come soon, Lolly. Here is another fish eater. Sometimes eat other birds also. Very dangerous fellow. Ah, yes, pelican. Oh my God, is it so? Then stay away, my dear little sparrow. Few are flightless. They are penguin, ostrich, and kiwi. Let's meet penguin first. Penguin is a great swimmer and slow walker. That's great. Can you teach me swimming, dear penguin? Sure, but not now. Let's see some other day. Little Sparrow hurried Lolly since it was getting late. Hurry up, Lolly. Meet ostrich. It is the biggest bird. Look at its egg. How much big is it? It is the fastest runner too. Amazing! I wish to ride on it. Lolly, look here. He is woodpecker. He picks worms and insects from the tree trunks and ground. Is he a carpenter bird? Yes, you are right. Hey, I'm the bird of peace, Dove. Oh, hi, nice to meet you, dear Dove. I love you, your nature and color. Here is Mr. Clean, the crow who cleans the environment. Hats off to your service of cleanliness, dear crow. Do you want to meet the most powerful bird who can fly high with very sharp eyesight? But I cannot come with you. He may catch me. Oh, such a dangerous bird. Then we can see it from here itself, my dear friend. Okay, look at the sky, Lolly. Can you see the eagle? Wow, big wings, sharp eyes, strong claws. My goodness, it has got a fish in its claws. Oh, yes, very scary. Let's fly fast. Let's go home. Yes, let's fly fast and go home, dear little sparrow. Have you enjoyed the story? And have you gathered some information about the beautiful creatures, birds, my dear kids? Thank you.
Hello birdie, how do you do? I'm your buddy, I love you. Hello birdie, I wish to fly. Let me to be sure I'll return it. Hello birdie, as I get it, here are my two wings, I thank you. Come on birdie, let's soar up and fly high. Let's soar up and fly high. Let's soar up and fly high together. My buddy birdie,